Hey everyone, it's Ben Hardy here, and today we're going to be talking about my new schedule essentially. So all of you know now that I am doing YouTube full time, and so obviously that is going to lead to me having to have a new schedule, and that's very, very important. And the reason that I say that is any of you that, have ever owned your own business or maybe managed a business to an extent, just anything where you've done your own thing where, everything is on you, then you'll completely understand about how important a schedule is. Because if you don't have a schedule, if you don't have a game plan every single day, then you're just not going to succeed. So in today's video, I want to go over my schedule and how that actually is going to help me succeed and how it's helped me succeed in the past as well. So my new schedule, basically moving on forward, is every single day I wake up and I just pretty much get ready for the day. Pretty normal stuff, right? I know that people focus on these, millionaire or billionaire routines, and yeah, there is something to be said about how you get up, but I mean, I keep things pretty simple. I get up, I shower, I eat, all that kind of stuff, just normal stuff. That will not change with my scheduling. Now, the thing that will change is, I basically get up and I just start filming, essentially. After I get ready and everything, I go to the location that I'm filming, or, if I'm filming at home, then I do that, all that kind of stuff. I get the filming done first in the day, and the reason I do that, obviously, is it's in the middle of winter right now, so daylight is very minimal. But also, that is the most creative aspect of what I do in the day, and so I want to get the creative stuff done, so when I have the highest amount of energy and when I have the highest amount of creativity, I want to get that stuff done when everything that's associated with that is kind of flowing. Hopefully that makes sense to you guys. Then the next thing that I'll do in the day is I will edit a little bit, not a lot, but a little bit. I will get, whatever videos that I need to get posted to the channels. I usually schedule things ahead of time. So for example, with my main channel, I actually have those videos done and edited, and I upload them the night before, so that the first one drops at 6 a.m., the second one drops at 12 p.m., and I don't have to worry about it. So if I wake up late or whatever happens, the video still posts and everything's good to go. This channel, however, is a little bit different. Because this channel is kind of all over the place and it's more, lifestyle associated, where it's just more kind of about me, the video upload time is a little bit more sporadic, obviously, and the filming time is more sporadic. It kind of happens just when I have time, essentially, and I'll upload it, again, when I have time. There's not really a specific time for when I upload on this channel. As of right now, that will change in the future, but as of right now, that's just kind of how things are. But yeah, that kind of leads into my next thing. I edit just a little bit, just to kind of give myself a breather. I usually eat during this time, and then I go and exercise. And when I exercise, that is actually when I plan out my next day. And the reason that I do that is, for some reason, for me personally, when I'm, exercising, whether it's cardio or weightlifting, two things I actually love doing, mostly the weightlifting part. Cardio sucks, but yeah. When I'm doing that kind of stuff, though, I schedule out the next day, and it's just something about it that just gets things going, and I kind of get these ideas when I'm lifting. I guess it's just all the extra blood flow gets up to my brain, and then I'm like, wow, that's a good idea to do that. So that is actually when I schedule out my next day. I go, okay, I'm going to film this tomorrow, I'm going to film this, I'm going to film that, and I schedule it all out, and I just type it on my phone when I'm at the gym, and so then the next day, I just look up what I put in my notepad the day before, and I just get going, and it's super fun for me, and I love the fact that, exercise is obviously something to keep me healthy, but my hobby is now benefiting what I do for a living, which is actually pretty cool. Not a lot of hobbies will necessarily do that, which, I mean, that happened with YouTube too, because YouTube was my hobby that was benefiting my job, and then it became my job, and yeah, life is weird, guys. But after I get back from the gym, that's when I go hardcore with editing. So that is when I edit all of my videos for the next day. I do all my uploading. I get as far ahead as I can. And then for the rest of the night, what I'm doing right now while I'm transitioning into, doing YouTube full time is I've given myself a little bit of leeway to relax right now. In the future, that's going to change. I'm going to be doing some other stuff with that time. But right now, I've just been giving myself a little bit of time to relax, to get myself used to this new schedule so that I don't completely lose my mind, and that's pretty much it. I don't have a super complicated schedule. I don't put timestamps on what I have to do because it varies. I mean, some videos that I make, they won't take that long. Other videos, they take forever to make. And so I just pretty much set aside, hey, I'm going to do this much work in a day. I've got this many things to do. And I just kind of go down the list and check things off until everything's done. But yeah, I want you guys to actually let me know what you do to keep yourself in line schedule-wise, what you do with your schedule, all that kind of stuff. Leave that in the comment section below. And if you guys have an idea of what you want me to answer in the next video, let me know that as well. If you happen to be stopping it for the first time, please subscribe. I will see all of you in that next video.